has a place in all of this.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today, I'm gonna be wrapping the roof on the 240. So check it out. I already removed the sunroof. Now I just gotta vacuum all in here, bunch of little stuff, and clean this up a bit. I gotta remove this also. I want to do the roof first, just because of the rust. Here, a little bit here, and some on that corner. So I gotta fix that real quick, just wrap it up. The color's pretty dope. I'll show you guys right now. I think I'm gonna do some of my interior in this color actually. And the sun looks dope as fuck. Ooh, look at that. I think it's called Galaxy Blue or something crazy like that. It's like purple. I don't know if you could catch all the colors. It's like green, teal, purple. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so sick. Cool, got it all cut out. You can really see the color now. Damn. Yeah, I did the roof on the GC. So I think this is gonna be a lot easier because at least a third of it's missing. I could reuse this for something else. Might use it for the center trim piece by the radio. Laid it all out. Had to wet it so I don't scratch it because this is gloss. I haven't really worked with gloss yet. Laid out way nicer than I thought. Hell yeah. So I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with this rust spot. Hopefully it sticks, man. I'm just crossing my fingers because right here too doesn't look like it's sticking, which sucks. All right guys, cut it all nice. Still gotta do the middle. I didn't even know it had some gold in it, but damn, this rust spot, dude. I should have fixed it before I wrapped it, but hey, it's not a show car. I got better at wrapping though, that's for sure. Gotta go pick up my girl and I'll come back and finish. So I could I'm probably gonna wrap underneath the sunroof. When the sun's hitting you, it's all annoying. I gotta wrap that with either flat black because I have hella left over. The sun's almost going down. I'm trying to hurry real quick. I know it does. But yeah, I just cut the sunroof off and I salvaged it. And I did the inside center. That was dope. That took me a while. It looks so nice. And I did the coin holder. So I'm gonna I still have some pieces. I'm gonna do this trim also. So it looks really nice. Yeah, I just gotta finish cutting this up. And then we're done. That turned out pretty good. I'm impressed with myself, shit. But got the sunroof done, all cut up, all nice and tucked. So now I just gotta install the window. That's it for today. It's getting dark. And I can't wait to wrap the car. Shit, that's gonna be fucking awesome. I think this one's gonna be way easier than the GC because just the body lines look way easier. A lot less vinyl. But yeah, thanks for watching. Next time, deuces.